You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. For more names, pronunciations that are confusing, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many coming up at the end of the video. In English, the pronunciation is generally as Ashlyn, Ashlyn. Some may say it a little bit more as Ashlyn. It's up to you. How do you pronounce it yourself? Ashlyn or more Ashlyn? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.